Update. Hello mga ka-Oplox, this is me again, Wines the Madiscarding Mother Earth. So for today's video is about, again, kung paano maiwasan ang sugal. Storytelling tayo ngayon guys. May mga stories tayo na i-share about dun sa mga sugarol na hindi maiwasan ang pagsusugal. So, shout out po muna tayo. Shout out to Miss Helen Sintos. Shout out po ulit tayo kay Ivy Minion na ang bigat-bigat na daw sa dibdib. Ganun. May i-share lang ako sa inyong stories, guys. So, start na tayo, guys. Sa ating story na i-share. Sana yung iba is makarelate. Hello. I'm a silent reader here in the page. I wanted to share my stories since I'm still fighting my own battle with this online addiction. Marami kasi guys na-addict talaga sa online sugal. Sa GCash, sa Maya, sa mga apps. So, it started po 2021 sa pandemic na quarantine po ako. My partner shared this online sabong game to me sa GCash. So, I was curious that time, so I tried. But, this is where all the annoying things in life start. I enjoyed the game until I became addicted to it. So, kung mag-try po talaga kayo, andun nga tayo, yung sa video ko before, may formula nga talaga yan sila. Namamanipulate po ang utak natin. Continuous na natin guys. First, 300, 500, cash in until I don't notice that my loss is getting bigger and bigger every day. Kasi nga, gusto mong bawiin ang natalo. Negosyo yan guys. Negosyo. Especially sindikato. Hindi ka mananalo dyan. Sana maniwala kayo. Until my salary is really something reserved for gambling. Kasi nga andun na. Baka next time, mananalo na. Ganon lagi. Habang may pag-asa. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Ganon talaga yung motto ng mga umaasa sa instant money. I was so overwhelmed with being online at that time. I almost worked hard for you. My salary will disappear like the wind. Until I went home to our place, the ad still hasn't stopped. I'm learning. My parents are giving me money for my board exams, but nothing was spent. All 70,000. Oo, ang laking pera. Wala pa pala siyang ano talaga, ipon. But they don't know until the online chat stopped. So good thing he was gone. I thought that was it. Until 2022, I was at my work that time until my friend introduced me to this game, Mines. Oo, nauso talaga yung Mines. Pero may kwento ako dyan tungkol sa Mines. Pinagkakitaan ko yan ngayon. Dyan sa playtime. Isipin na lang natin na may puhunan akong piso. Ang piso is gagawin nating 30 pesos. Pero, syempre, hindi naman yan instant. So, ang piso, ilalaro natin sa Mines. Diba yung Mines pwedeng piso? Tapos, yung bomba doon is isa. Isang bomba lang. Isang bomba lang. Tapos, yung bet mo din is piso. So, isang pindot lang din, i-cash out mo na. May game ka na. Kasi imposible naman na matatamaan mo sa dinami-dami ng mga square. Doon matatamaan mo yung bomba. Swertihan lang talaga. Pero, kung matatamaan mo man, may babalik pa rin sa'yo yung piso. Kasi bakit? Sa playtime, kahit piso lang yung bet mo, pag i-back mo na yan, may offer yun na spin. Spin lagi. Tapos, may bigay yan sa inyo na piso. Diba? Napaka-imposible naman na araw-araw tatamaan nyo yung bomba. Isang pindot lang kasi makontento na kayo. Hanggang sa maging 30 pesos. Diba? Isang buwan. Kasi guys, yung 30 pesos, sa loob ng isang taon, gano? Wait lang, compute ulit tayo. Talino ko kasi sa mati. 30 times 12 months. 360. Diba, ang laking bagay na. Ito, may kwento pa rin ako. 360 kung bakit. Malaki na yan para sa akin. Kasi, may partner nag-passbook sa isang bank. Syempre, pag passbook, hindi mo yan pwedeng galawin yung maintaining balance. Yung maintaining balance niya is 10K. So, umaasa na lalaki yung yung pinaka-interest niya sa loob ng 5 years. Hindi yun. Kahit papano daw may interest, ganun. In 5 years, chinek niya. Siya, kung magkano na yung interest. Alam nyo ba guys, kung magkano in 5 years yung 10K? 120 pesos only. Diba? May puhunan kang 10,000 tapos in 5 years 120 pesos only ang interest. Samantala ito, kahit piso lang ang puhunan mo, mayiging 360. Tuloy na natin ang kwento ko guys. Instead na nagkukwento lang ako about sa sugarol. So, sinishare ko lang, 'di ba? Sa advantage and disadvantage sa paglalagay nyo ng money sa bangko. 'Di ba? Ito na nga, yung 10K in 5 years, 120 lang. Ang laki pa ng puhunan mo. Samantala dito, huwag mo lang pairalin na yung pagiging sugarol mo. Pagiging sugarol mo sa playtime. Playtime, meron sa Maya, sa GCash. Sa GCash kasi ako eh. Yung piso mo, in 1 year, magiging 360. Diba? Tsaga lang. So, continue na natin guys. So, here it is again. So, this is where the darkest days of my life start. So, again, I tried to play again. Like I told myself, just to pass the time, like Tong Eats, Mines, color games, that's all. But there's no same scenario. Still add again. I'm again in Sugal. To the point that almost of my salary is gone. My parents' transport is gone. As in, it's really hard to be added. Online gambling. It's really hard to be addicted. You will do everything to be in love. You'll lose yourself and you won't think if you're still doing right or wrong. But this is what destroyed my family's life the most. Baccarat. Yung baccarat guys, alam nyo ba? Hindi ko talaga maintindihan yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano manalo niyan. Sinusubukan ko kasi din na, paano ba? Ang daming nag-ano dyan eh. Na-addict as in na dyan sila talaga nalubog. Shout out. Shout out kay Ems Orqueno. Shout out again kay Bang. Say Bang. Sana manalo na tayo sa Saturday. So, continue na natin guys. Actually, I won 180,000. But, I will still do it and withdraw it because you will never be satisfied with your winnings. You'll crave for a greater value. Everything that my partner and I have invested was used. All our jewelry that I pawned because of that pesting game. To the one I caught up with whom I lost. To the point that I used all our money in our business because I want to win. Diba? Kasi nga namamanipula na ang utak natin sa sinasabing easy money. It seems like every day I will spend 40,000, 40,000 and 50,000 because of my loss. Done now, as in zero. Everything is, continue na natin guys. Done now, as in zero. Everything is really gone. I was depressed. Already committed to suicide because of it. Taking meds because of depression. Consulted a doctor. My partner and I were always fighting to the point he hit me a lot because of being addicted. I can see that game but still hasn't stopped. My family knows about it now. I opened my problem to them because I can't do it anymore. They already planned me to rehab. Because of the many things I have owed, it's so embarrassing that I am owing all the people I know. I finally reached the point where I steal my father's savings to gamble. I feel like I'm really losing myself. Like it seems like there's really evil in the game. Because until now, I cannot stop. But hopefully, one day, I will be fully healed. Soon, no more bets. Please pray for me. Please, what will I do? I am almost drowning in debt. Until now, I am still paying little by little to what I owe. So yun guys, sana maging aral sa atin ang kwentong ito at sana may natutunan kayo. Sunod guys, may ikukwento pa po ako sa inyo. Thank you mga ka-oploks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.